This is a Mikey Report, Hurricane Irene update. Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Mikey Report, our special Hurricane Irene edition. Glad you can be with us. I am Mikey Edwards inside our Mikey Report studios here in Phoenixville, where we are under a tropical storm warning as we are in Chester County, Philadelphia County, and the coastal regions and New Jersey and all of them are under a hurricane warning. Of course, Hurricane Irene is one of the biggest storms that we've seen in a while. It's gonna cap off a crazy week of weather with the earthquake earlier this week, major rains over the last couple weeks, all capulating into this unobligatory hurricane that we will be experiencing, at least here, Saturday night throughout most of the day on Sunday. As we take a look at our latest Hurricane Irene tracker, we're looking at Irene just off the Carolina coast and currently moving up. This is our latest track, as we're looking at a Category 1 hitting the North Carolina the Outer Banks of North Carolina, the center of the storm. The rains are already hitting tonight, but we're looking at early Saturday where this hurricane is going to hit majorly into this area for an 85 mile an hour max wind. And then as it goes up the eastern seaboard around the Virginia Beach area, Delmarva region, and entering Pennsylvania, New Jersey, around the rains will enter midday Saturday, but we'll be looking more or less at the center of the storm path coming in early Sunday morning and leave the whole thing leaving by early evening Sunday as it enters, as it goes into New York and the whole New England area. And it'll continue to diminish into the Arctic Ocean and all that, which we don't have to worry about once it leaves our area. But pretty much by Monday or Tuesday, it'll be, well, Monday more so, it's going to become late. I'd say give it till early Tuesday when it's going to be completely out of the United States, and where we won't have be worrying about it completely. Currently, right now, we are looking at 100 mile an hour maximum wind speed with a 14 mile an hour ground speed, with the pressure maintaining at 950. I believe it's I'm not sure what they call it, but it's 950 on the scale right now. So we're going to be seeing this more or less either a Category 1 or a tropical storm, a low-grade hurricane or tropical storm, as we see this progress, as tropical depression 10 right now is currently off the coast of Africa. But we're not worried about that. Irene is our biggest story at this weekend, and we'll continue to have complete coverage as this weekend rolls along. Yours truly, along with Simon Wellman and Matthew Oliphant, will be on Ustream all day long covering this story so you can be well informed of to what is going on. For all of us here, for all of us here at TMR, I'm Mikey Edwards, saying good night, stay safe, and bunker down.